Hi team, welcome back to my latest video. And this video is going to be how to make Outlook Classic that does not have Copilot built in, right? As you know, if you are a Microsoft 365 customer, you will have all the Microsoft Office application like Microsoft Excel, Outlook, and other comes built in Copilot that can do AI summarization and that can analyze your Outlook file, Outlook email, right? It can read your Excel and do the summarization of those kind of things, right? But if your organization or if you are an individual, you cannot afford a Copilot built into your office, right? So that is why my previous video was all about how you can use something called ScriptLab. ScriptLab is a free add-in by Microsoft that can be added to your classic non-Microsoft 365 based Office products. All Office product above Office 2016, you can install the add-in for free. So in my video, I have shown how to install that add-in for Excel and how to use that add-in to send the Excel data along with the chart to N8N workflow for the AI part, AI things, right? And you can get the AI summarization of your Excel data. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how we can do the same for the classic Outlook, right? If you are a Microsoft 365 customer, your Copilot will be built into your Outlook that can do AI summarization of your email and all those kind of things, right? You can just chat and ask more about your email. So I am going to do similar thing in this demo where I have installed a ScriptLab add-in. ScriptLab add-in is available for Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, and also Microsoft Outlook. Right? You can go to Microsoft Store, download and install ScriptLab. So let me start this N8N workflow. I will explain. I will go into the demo part. Okay, so I have this Outlook Classic that comes pre-installed on your Windows 10 or 11, right? Mine is Windows 11, right? So I have installed ScriptLab, so you can see these two icons, code and run. So code is basically to edit the code. The code language is TypeScript, which is a subset of JavaScript, and run where you can directly run the code. Okay, so let me directly run first, so that you can see what is happening. Okay, so I will walk you through the code also. The code is fairly simple. Okay, so you have to get this two add-ins, you have to install something called script lab, right? Script lab for Outlook. Okay, if you put this, yeah, I made spelling mistake, that's fine. So you can land up here. Okay, so you can get this get script lab for Outlook. If you click this, it will launch your Outlook, and you have to just log in with your Microsoft Outlook ID, and that's it. You are good to go. This will get added. If you want to make changes to the code or create a new code, you can use the code, or simply if you hit the run button, your app will open, right? So I will show you the code part right after this demo. Okay, so if you see there is I will show you two emails. One is in Chinese, another will be in Arabic. So not only my solution will do AI translation, and if it is not English, and also it will do a summarization. It will give its conclusion and the tone of the email, right? So let me show you the demo first. So you may ask, there is already translate button available, but this does more than that. Let me show you that. Okay, let me see if it is running. Okay, let me start. Okay, to get the flow, started the flow, I should say. Now, if I click this, it will first read this email body that it has done. Now it will send that to N8N workflow. Okay, now AI agent part is running. Okay, so the workflow has completed. Now let's go back to our application. Okay, so we got the nice summary. So it successfully detected the language Chinese, and the tone is neutral, and also it given the summary of the email. So what is this email about, and call to action, right? So what exactly we need to do. So let's use one more email, similar email. Obviously, it is going to work for English. So I'm showing that capability of it, that it can do non-English emails also, right? So let me run the same. Okay, it will fail because I did not started the workflow. As you know, in the production, we'll be using the production URL, so you don't have to do that. It will be always listening to that. Okay, yeah, obviously it will fail because it was not able to connect N8N. Okay, so now it is going to read the email and send this text to our N8N. Okay, N8N workflow completed. Now the control is back to our Outlook, and it successfully detected the language Arabic in this case, the tone, and the summarization of whatever AI input, right? So this is the summarization. It clearly give call to action. Okay, so before going to NA10 part, let's see the code part. So if you're comfortable with TypeScript, this not only will help you automating the non-Microsoft 365 Outlook and Excel. With this skill, you can automate the Microsoft 365 also, because TypeScript is the language in the Excel script in Microsoft Power Automate cloud version. Okay, so basically, I'm using this API to read the email body, and I'm just making a webhook call, and in the webhook call I'm just sending the text content to in the body. Okay, in my N8N workflow, this is a webhook receiving that, and here I am just creating a variable with my body content, the email content that I received there, and I'm using the open router chat model, and the model I'm using is NVIDIA Nemotron 3 Nano. It is free, and there is no token limit, it seems. So I have used multiple times in a day. So I have switched from Gemini to this because I was getting hitting the rate for that particular day, right? So I switched to that, and please check this model out. And Markdown, because I have given in the summary that you output everything in Markdown, and so this is the my prompt to AI. So AI will read the language, it will read the sentiment score, and all those things. And in the Markdown to HTML node, I'm converting that Markdown to HTML that you can see here. And finally, I'm sending back the HTML content in a body so that I can read that back in my app, right? So I'm simply reading that back in my app, and this is a normal HTML, CSS, and those kind of things, right? So if you click this, our nice looking UI will open, and we can automate for